Meaning of King's evidence.
King's evidence.
King's evidence.
King's evidence.
King's evidence. King's evidence is a legal term that refers to a situation in which a defendant who is facing criminal charges agrees to provide testimony or other evidence against their co-defendants in exchange for a reduced sentence or other form of leniency. This type of agreement is typically made with prosecutors and can be a powerful tool for securing convictions in complex criminal cases. The term derives from the historical practice of English monarchs offering pardons or other rewards for those who provided evidence in support of the Crown's case.